Hey, is that
Hey,
Santos?
¿cuánto va a ser, jefe? ¿Cuánto va a ser?
Nah, that's Santos.
You want a hot dog, bro?
Santos tonic? That's you?
Oh shit, what's up, Pablo? What's up, dude? You want a hot dog?
Well,
You want a hot dog,
fuck
dude?
it, fuck it.
Alright, cool,
What
man.
you doing here?
No, I work here, bro. I haven't seen you in so
Where's
long.
YouTube? Where's your YouTube? I haven't
I
seen
quit-
you.
I
I haven't
quit-
posted in like 7 months.
I quit that a long time ago, bro. I didn't, I never color matched my truck. I lost interest in it, you know?
Yeah.
But now hot dogs are cool with me, bro. Like, I'm cool with hot dogs. I'm cool. The hot dogs are cool with me, bro. A ver, what you want on your hot dog?
Con todo.
Alright, bro. Alright. What's up with you?
Nothing, just fixing up my truck, you know?
Okay.
I took inspiration from you. But you left.
Come on, dude.
You're an inspiration to a lot of people and you just left them. What's up?
I don't know, bro. I just me desanimé, bro.
Yeah. Thank you. Damn, this looks good, but you know what look better?
What? My hot dog in your mouth?
No, the goddamn orange truck.
What you mean, my orange truck, bro?
Your orange truck looks good. Like you cruising in the freaking Goodyear Boulevard, you know?
Don't even get started with that, bro. I left that a long time ago, bro. I don't do that no more. Me and my hot dogs, that's all I do now. And I'm dedicated to my craft. You should try it. It's pretty good.
This?
Yeah, this. What's wrong with this, bro? It's my hot dogs. And
What about
you want
your
some
truck?
elotes
What
too,
about that
bro?
truck life? Like, come on.
I don't know, bro. Me desanimé, bro. Like, a lot of
What
people
happened?
talking shit, you know.
What happened to La Fanta, La Crush, La Orange Crush? Where's she at?
Look, bro, I don't even remember where I left it. I left it in some forest, bro. I left it in some forest, bro. I don't even remember where I left it.
What about this? If I help you find it, you'll fix it back up? I'll give you motivation that you once gave me for my build. Come on.
Are you? I don't even remember where I
you
left
gotta
it,
quit
bro.
right now.
I can't
quit right now.
quit right now. These
Quit
are
right
my
now.
babies, bro. It's my hot dogs. I haven't even said yeah.
Look, they look good, but what did I say look better? Your truck. Quit right now. Come on. Just leave, look.
And I
Leave
quit, bro.
everything.
Like, what am I gonna do? Like, what do I do if I quit, bro? Like,
Just leave it. This will be for the homeless. Just leave right now. I'll help you find it. But we gotta go right now. Come on.
are you sure you're gonna help me, bro? Like, what if I
Yeah.
get like this unmotivated, bro? Like, that's what happened. I didn't color I didn't color match my truck, bro. I got this on you now, bro. Like, all the haters would talk shit, bro, and that shit
You
made
gotta
me feel
prove them
bad,
wrong.
bro.
You gotta prove the haters wrong.
You're right, bro.
You gotta come back stronger.
You're right. Okay, bro.
You got my word. Come on, let's go.
All right, bet.
Let's
You
go.
still gonna put my hot dog in your mouth?
Yes.
Done fucking deal. I fucking quit, man.
For real. You just left.
The next day.
All I fucking know is it's somewhere over there. It can be there. It can be in the water, shit. Or it can be over there. I know I left it somewhere around here, but it's fucking hot. Fuck, let's keep walking. I think I left it in. Oh, fuck no. You hear that? Oh, I think I left it in there. Let's go in there. I'm not scared of animals that much. I'm just scared of like a crackhead jumping out. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to have that shit happen. Well, I don't know if you guys can tell. This is sage. Like, I've had. Yeah, this is wild sage. So I've smell it. So if anything, this place is bendito. You know what I mean? Like, it's been una bendición. You spark this stuff and all the demons go away. So we're straight. So no crackhead energy, no evil monsters, no kukui. We're straight. And low-key, I might need some bags for home, so I might take these shit. You want some?
Yeah, let's take them.
For sure. I'm not that much of an expert in wildlife, but I don't know if you can see that shoe right there and that empty piss bottle right there. I think we stumbled across a crack den, a crackhead den. Now I don't know if you guys are familiar with crackheads, but they're pretty wild. They live pretty much anywhere. So I think this is an abandoned crack den. I'm not that sure. It looks like one, and I'll give you like a little detail. They're pretty smart. They do some pretty crazy stuff with their homes. So the crackhead tore down this leaf right here, this tree, you know, and then I don't know if you see this, but this to the crackhead is like a natural fence. I can't go through it, you know. And then this probably is like their bed or something. I'm not getting on that shit. And then this is probably their like garage. We're gonna fucking die.
Oh hell no.
Fuck that. We're gonna fucking die if we go in there, dude. So yeah, overall the crack house is it's bigger than my place, to be honest. So you got the empty piss bottle, you got the shoe. And this is huge. I'm assuming that's their kitchen right there. Maybe like they're oh. A piss bottle. This is a real treat. Usually the crackheads, they carry it around them. They're really tight to it. They don't let it go. So the crackhead here probably had to run. The crackheads' natural enemies are police, rehab, and the dragon they're always trying to chase. So it's a real treat. But anyway, let's get back to looking for the truck, because shit, it's dangerous out here. Oh shit, I remember. Yeah. I legit remember. Yeah. So I came through there, and then I remember seeing what was that, Camp Machado sign, and then the truck. So, okay, for sure. So if I go down that way, I'm gonna find my truck for sure.
Oh shit, the fucking cops. Oh shit. There's like a shit ton of lizards in the tree.
What?
There's a bunch of lizards.
Yo, nigga. Alright, we're good. Oh, fuck. Alright, we're close. I'm tired. And then the good thing about this park is that there's so many trees, you know? Look around, look, there's so many trees. It's like fresh trees, the purest oxygen you can get here, you know what I mean? The purest. See what I mean, guys? This is beautiful. This is a palm tree. This creates so much like natural air, so much oxygen. Being around this area is so good for you. You know, like there's so much like oxygen, 100% proof oxygen. Like right now, I might sound like I'm tired, I'm winded, but it's just all that oxygen. Like I don't know what to do with it. So, fuck, let's keep going, man. All right, we're in the right direction. I remember seeing this for sure. This used to be a cabin. Family, like the dad went crazy and he killed the whole family. And then when he went to jail, they asked him, why'd you do it? And he said that the tall man would come to them at nighttime and tell them to do this. It's pretty bad. It happened a long time ago.
Today, the former glamorous Keddie resort resembles a ghost town, and a tragic event has been transformed into ugly folklore. Disturbing myths passed along in whispers of floating objects in number 28, even a fable of the word no appearing scratched on the walls.
Certainly, if any place was haunted, that one should be, considering what went on there.
You feel like low-key like you're being watched or some shit. Like I'm not joking, like this is serious. You feel like you're being watched here, so con cuidado, you know? And just, you know, but I remember I passed through this trail right here. My truck for sure has to be down there. Pero con cuidado here because it's, you get a weird vibe, you know? There's a legend that if you come here like at 1 in the morning, you'll see like 4 red eyes just looking at you through the dark spots right there, you know? So con cuidado, you know? Like running.
Yeah.
Like I said, you get a weird vibe here. Yeah, you get a weird vibe here. Like it's no joke. This place is like legit. There's like a lot of stories of this place being haunted and like just weird people. Like that's one thing that people have said about this park, this forest, is that they always feel watched. They always feel like someone's and did you hear like a little kid?
I think so. Yeah.
Let's just get the fuck out of here. But yeah, there's a lot of stories about this park. Like, people have seen tall people, like a tall man, and that's what the guy said when they took him to jail. He told everybody like, yeah, like the tall man in the suit came and told me to do this crazy stuff. So let's just get out of here. I don't know if this is true, but they found bodies here. And this is where they found them right there, the white flag, and the white flag right there. And I don't know if there's any more, but they found 2 bodies here. And when they found them, they had like weird markings on them, like low-key, like Native American type stuff, you know, like horses and stuff like that. It was really creepy. This place is, once you pass this cabin, it's just like a whole different vibe. I don't know. I mean, this place is beautiful, but it's like a weird vibe. Once you start getting into the trees and past that cabin, it's a weird vibe, man. I don't know. We're hopefully close. My truck, I remember I came down the trail and I went down this right here. There's 2 trees. And I remember the fireplace right there, so we have to go that way. Pero yeah, this place is weird. You don't feel that?
Yeah, it's just, I don't know. Like somebody's watching you all the time.
Yeah, like let's just get out of here, man. Let's find a truck and let's get out of here. Because I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Be careful here.
This is the tree from The Conjuring, look. They hang themselves right here.
Annibal's gonna come out right now.
Oh, hell.
Pero no asustar, a chupar. No, hell no, I don't mess with that kind of stuff. Fuck that. Hell no. I'm fucking ready, bro. I start swinging, I don't give a fuck. Look, I'm gonna give you a detail. Si un espanto me sale, like, ahí en putizas. Ahorita, mira. This is what you gotta do. If you're in a dark room, y un espanto me sale, grita. Así, mero. You told that espanto, váyase a la mierda. Pa la chingada. Hell no, I just pissed off all the ghosts right now. all right. So we gotta go down this trail, and we should be good. I'm almost certain that my truck, is behind those bushes. I'm almost certain. So let's go. Yeah, man. I know I said there was a tunnel and stuff, but all right, dude. I think I'm lost. I feel like we're close because all this looks so familiar, but it's been like 6-7 months, right? I can't remember.
Yeah.
I don't know where I'm getting a tunnel from, but we just did a circle? We went all around. This is the trail again. Okay, this is the trail. That's the main highway. I'm fucking tired. Anyway, we've been walking for 3 hours. As you can see, it's already nighttime. We're in the middle of who knows where. I don't remember exactly where I left the truck anymore. We're right next to a highway. There's some street lights over there. But I will say this. I do remember that palm tree right there. And if it's not here, ya valimos verga, because somebody must have taken it, or I just got COVID brain or something, because I can't remember where it's at. And we've been walking for hours. So with good luck, it's right next to that palm tree. So let's find out. I'm tired. What'd I tell you? What'd I tell you?
Let's go. She's right here.
There's a crafted looking inside. Turn the lights. The palm tree is dusty as fuck though.
Yeah.
I still got the rope. Tires, these are I got the keys here for turned on. Damn, I'm surprised it's still here, dude. That's
Oh
one thing.
shit, they took the fucking bumper, no?
No mames. Yeah, they took the
Oh,
fucking took the bumper.
But they didn't take the plate.
They didn't take the plate, but they took the bumper. Fuck. Yeah, that's all they took. They didn't take anything else. Oh, shit. Okay, at least they didn't take the truck. God forbid. You think it still has battery?
Let's see.
It's been here for 7 months, dude. A ver. I got the keys right here. They've been sitting in my closet drawer for like 7 months. A ver. I wonder if it.
Turn that shit on. Turn it on.
That. There's something broken. It's like maybe somebody tried to break in or something. And then there's no lock. A la verga. I think somebody tried to break in or something.
Oh yeah, look.
A ver, let's try the other side. It's open. Crackhead? Crackhead? There's no crackheads in here, but damn. That's crazy. My truck's been sitting here for 7 months, dude. Alright. If I can open it. You think it's gonna start?
Well, I think so. Let's hope so. Shit.
If it doesn't start, we're in a tough situation because we've been walking for hours. I don't even remember where we're at. All right, let's see if she turns on. Still has battery. The headlights work. Not good.
The gas evaporated or what? Let's see how much gas it does. Oh shit, it's almost empty. Oh fuck.
That's crazy. It turned on.
I know.
I'm surprised it still has battery and it still turns on.
For real.
That's crazy, dude.
There's
Fucking A.
it's all fucked up too.
It's all fucked up. But guess what? We're not walking. We're not walking back.
For real. Come back in the century.
Huh?
Come back in the century.
Come back in the century, dude.
It's all dusty.
out of here, dude, because we're in the middle of nowhere, dude. I ain't trying to have La Llorona come out on us or anything like that. But remember what I taught you guys. Si La Llorona, el Cucuy, el Violador comes out on you, just like 1, 2. Just like that. You already know. You gotta do that. They're gonna be en caliente. All right, let's get the fuck out of here. I'm surprised this thing turns on. I'm gonna let it heat up for a little bit. And, oh, that's crazy.
Oh shit, what the fuck? Look.
What is it? What is it? I have no idea where to go, dude. It's so overgrown. What the fuck happened?
I don't know. What the fuck happened? The dirt? It got stuck.
Yeah, a ver.
The dirt is too like mushy or nothing.
Yeah, I guess because this shit's hard, but up here it's puro like pillow. No mames, way. I thought my fucking differential blew out or something, no manches. I was like, fuck. Oh my god. That's pure God right there. Let's get the fuck out of here. That's a sign to get out of here.
Nico, you a fool for this one, bro. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've been gone for 7 months, and
and I'm back. I got my baby back, and we're gonna go harder this time. And stay tuned for the next video because it's gonna be a banger. I think you guys are gonna like it. I'm definitely gonna like it. Pero sí, con eso ya tú sabes.